So hello and welcome to everyone. So today we will discuss talk time topics, right? Detailed explanation with the vocabulary and conjunctions. So let's get started. If I become a billionaire, so what to do? If I become a billionaire, my life would change significantly. I would invest in education, healthcare, and social development because wealth brings responsibility. Moreover, I would establish charitable foundation so that underprivileged communities could receive better opportunities. Although money provides comfort and security, it does not guarantee happiness. Therefore, I would focus on meaningful relationship and social contribution. Billionaire means person who has $1,000 million investment, the act of putting money to into something gain benefit, philanthropy, desire to promote the welfare of others, responsibility, duty, or obligation, prosperity, state of being successful. If I become wealthy, I will support education. If I become wealthy, I will support education. Although money is a powerful, it should be used wisely. Therefore, I would prioritize humanity over luxury. What is more important, creativity and efficiency? What is more important, creativity or efficiency? Creativity is Creativity is the ability to generate, innovate ideas, whereas efficiency refers to completing tasks quickly and effectively. In modern society, both qualities are essential. Creativity fosters innovation, while efficiency ensures productivity. However, creativity often leads to long-term growth because introduce the new solution. Consequently, organizations value imaginative thinkers. Creativity use of imagination to create new ideas. Efficiency, performing task with the minimal waste of time. Innovation, new method or idea. Productivity, the rate of producing result. Imagination, ability to form new ideas. Creativity is important because it drives innovation. Efficiency is valuable, however, creativity creates the uniqueness. Both skills are necessary, so we must balance them. WhatsApp groups and communities. WhatsApp groups allow individuals to communicate collectively. Communities help organize multiple groups under one structure. This performs enhanced collaboration, information sharing. However, exclusive uses may cause distractions. Therefore, user must maintain discipline. Furthermore, digital communication strengthens connectivity across geographical boundaries. Community means group of people with a common interest, collaborations, working together for a common goal. Connectivity, the state of being connected. Discipline, self-control in behavior. Instruction means communication between people. WhatsApp groups are useful because they improve communication. Although they save time, they can also distract users. Therefore, we should use them responsibly. Working abroad. Working abroad offers exposure to diverse cultures, professionals, environments. It enhances adaptability, global perspective. Moreover, employees gain competitive skills, higher income opportunities. However, cultures difference, home sickness can be challenging. Nevertheless, such experience build resilience and independence. Exposure, experience of something new, adaptability, ability to adjust new conditions, perspective, perspective, particular attitude or viewpoint, resilience, ability to recover from difficulties, independence, freedom, and for from external control. Working Working abroad is beneficial because it broadens perspectives. Although although challenges exist, experience is valuable. Consequently, many professionals seek international careers. Will e-commerce ruin retail stores? E-commerce has transformed modern business by offering convenience and accessibility. Customers prefer online shopping because it saves time and provide competitive pricing. However, traditional retail stores still offer personal interaction and physical examination of product. Therefore, instead of completely ruining retail, e-commerce encourages adaptation and digital integration. E-commerce buying and selling goods online, accessibility, access, ease of reaching something, competitive offering, better price or quality, integration, combining two systems together, transformation, complete change. Online shopping is a popular because it is convenient. Retail stores survive although competition is intense. Therefore, business must innovate to remain relevant.